everyone, welcome to Yopedia and this is Shikha. So friends, if you are also shortlisted for the SBI Assistant Manager System post, there are a number of different HR questions which you must prepare. And today in this video, basically we are covering different aspect of HR questions which can be expected in your final interview. What is HR round? HR round is something where you need to be showcase your personality, your communication skills, your confidence level, and your career objectives, basically your roles and responsibilities, and number of things are there which can be checked by the examiner, right? So that is something where your knowledge is already being checked by the written examination or whatever the procedure is. Right now the examiner is going to be checked over your SWOT analysis by your HR round. So related to SBI State Bank of India, we are covering number of questions. Make your notes, prepare it well, and just prepare every question answer. Prepare with the Yopedia mentors, give different mentors, different HR snaps to cover all your aspect of HR round. Let's just discuss it out. What can be the possible HR questions? So this is, these are the things we are going to be discussed today, right? Leadership and team management, self-introduction, role awareness, adaptability, ethics and integrity, customer orientation relationship, conflict management. So starting from the self-introduction and career overview. Okay, so very basic and first question, please introduce yourself, about your professional journey. Highlight the key achievement in your career so far. Why did you choose this career path and what motivates you to apply for this role at SBI? Please prepare this question very well, that why do you want to join SBI, why you are fit for this role. These kinds of questions are very important from the HR point of view, and this question has been also covered in the SBI document which is covering all the information related to SBI. So must prepare this, right? Coming towards next question, that is how has your educational background prepared for this position? Significant challenge you have faced, greatest professional strength you consider. How do you handle constructive criticism? Transition from your current role and short term and long term goals क्या हैं आपके, ठीक है? Why do you want to work with SBI instead of other organization? ठीक है? Reputed, integrity, good CSR initiatives, right? Career growth opportunities. These are some reasons reasons basically you can highlight for this question, that why do you want to work with SBI instead of other organization. Your previous experiences shaped your professional outlook. Describe a project, ठीक है? Evaluate success in your career and this is in your career. These are some questions related to your career overview and your self introduction. Now role awareness and SBI knowledge. This is very important. ठीक है? आप किस रोल के लिए जा रहे हो for the specialist cadre, and what is your your job description going to be happen, you're going to be take place. Also about SBI. SBI क्या है, ठीक है? क्या उसका स्टेटस है, व्हाट इज इट्स टोटल एसेट, उसके मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर चेयरमैन कौन है, क्या उसके प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज हैं, सब्सिडीज क्या है, ये बहुत सारे HR क्वेश्चन कैन बी देयर, ठीक है? ओके, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द रोल ऑफ स्पेशल कैडर ऑफिसर एट SBI, ठीक है? SBI's ओवरऑल पोजीशन क्या है, व्हाट आर द कोर वैल्यूज ऑफ SBI की जर्नी ग्रोथ ईयर्स में, ठीक है? 1806 में it has been known as the Bank of Calcutta. In 1921 it has been renowned as the Imperial Bank of India, and in 1955 it has been renamed and established as the State Bank of India. So ये कुछ dates and years आपको पता होने चाहिए, ठीक है? How do you describe SBI's role in financial inclusion, global presence, differentiate itself from other banks? Major challenges by SBI, significance of SBI's CSR initiatives or activities. SBI's digital transformation initiatives, one can be the YONO SBI app, ठीक है? एक एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल फोन ऐप है, दैट इज योनो, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी डिस्कस्ड इन द डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. SBI adapted to changes in customer behavior. Thought on SBI's role in supporting SMEs and vision and mission, very important, ठीक है? SBI योनो ऐप, अगेन अ क्वेश्चन केम, ठीक है? लीडरशिप पोजीशंस इन मार्केट क्या है, 23% ऑफ शेयर इन द मार्केट इज देयर ऑफ द SBI, ठीक है? गवर्नमेंट्स बैंकिंग रिफॉर्म इम्पैक्ट SBI. Coming towards the leadership and team management. So student used to do use these heavy words that I have leadership skills, I have good manager skills. So guys, you must prepare that what is the meaning of this leadership skill, what is the meaning of this management skill, right? How are you going to be contribute these skills in SPI? Example of a time you led team successfully: motivate team members. How do you delegate responsibilities within a team? What is your approach to resolving team conflicts? Ensure accountability. ठीक है, लीडरशिप टेस्ट हुई थी वो कोई एग्जाम्पल दो. डिसएग्रीमेंट कैसे हैंडल करोगे टीम मेंबर्स के साथ. एम्पैथी क्या रोल प्ले करती है लीडरशिप अप्रोच में, ठीक है. एंड कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी को एक टीम में आप कैसे मैनेज करोगे, राइट. डिस्क्राइब अ टाइम व्हेन यू लेड अ टीम थ्रू अ पीरियड ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज. क्रिटिसिज्म को, रेजिस्टेंस को कैसे हैंडल करोगे, एंड व्हाट आर द की एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ गुड लीडर, राइट. Next aspect of HR is problem solving in analytical thinking. इसमें आपका आ जाता है situational question can be there, ठीक है. Problem solving skills question can be there कि अगर ऐसा होता है तो what you going to be take the what step you going to be take, ठीक है. ये कुछ questions आपसे टेस्ट किए जाएंगे, पूछे जाएंगे. So very first is share an instance where you solved a complex problem. आप अपने issues को कैसे प्रायोरिटाइज करोगे दैट रिक्वायर इमीडिएट अटेंशन, जिनको इमीडिएट अटेंशन है. बिकॉज सम टाइम व्हाट हैपन इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वी यूज टू जस्ट इग्नोर द इश्यूज, वी नीड टू वी जस्ट ट्राई टू इग्नोर द क्रिटिसिज्म व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन व्हाटएवर द थिंग्स. सो हाउ यू गोइंग टू बी प्रायोरिटाइज. आपके डिसीजन डेटा ड्राइवन कैसे हैं, ठीक है. आपने कोई इनोवेटिव सोल्यूशन प्रपोज किया हो, वो कोई एग्जाम्पल दो कोई सिचुएशन का. डिसीजन मेकिंग अप्रोच कैसी है आपकी, ठीक है. एंड हाउ यू गोइंग टू बी हैंडल द सिचुएशन में यू हैव टू बैलेंस कंफ्लिक्टिंग प्रायोरिटाइज स्टेक होल्डर प्रॉब्लम्स, ठीक है. एंड इनिशियल सोल्यूशन बेसिकली फॉर एवरी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. आप रिकरिंग इश्यूज के लिए क्या स्टेप्स ले सकते हो. रिस्क को कैसे आप इवेलुएट करोगे टू द प्रपोज सोल्यूशंस. ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग पोटेंशियल सोल्यूशंस, आपकी क्या अप्रोच है. डिसएग्रीमेंट कैसे हैंडल करोगे जब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग डिस्कशंस आती हैं, ठीक है. ट्रांसपेरेंसी को कैसे इंश्योर करोगे. एंड क्रिएटिविटी आपकी क्या रोल प्ले करती है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल में, ठीक है. हाउ डू यू हैंडल हाई प्रेशर सिचुएशंस रिक्वायरिंग क्विक डिसीजंस. कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स. कम्युनिकेशन कैसे होनी चाहिए, कितनी इफेक्टिव होनी चाहिए, ठीक है. एंड अपना कम्युनिकेशन स्टाइल आप कैसे एडजस्ट करोगे डिफरेंट ऑडियंस में, राइट. How do you which techniques do you acquire for to listen actively during conversations, and how do you describe a time you had to convey difficult news to team member, right. Share an example how you have used non-verbal communication effectively and feedback क्या रोल प्ले करता है, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रैटेजीज क्या रोल प्ले करती हैं फीडबैक में. कल्चरल बैरियर्स को इन कम्युनिकेशन आपकी लैंग्वेज कैसे हैंडल करेगी, ठीक है. How do you communicate complex ideas to someone, right. So these are some questions related to the communication skills, ठीक है. How do you keep your communication clear and concise under pressure. Coming towards the adaptability and learning attitude, right. एक चीज होती है कि मुझे नहीं आता, मैं नहीं कर सकता, the moment when you start giving the reasons for the things or kind of, and one thing is when you to showcase कि okay I'm ready for everything. Maybe I'm not available right now, but I will read on that, I will learn on that. This kind of attitude you must showcase in your interview, okay. So some important questions are: a time you had to adapt to a significant organizational change. How are you going to be stay updated with the industry trends and advancement. When you have learned a new skill to meet a job requirement, ठीक है. Unexpected change in your work environment, आपने कैसे हैंडल किया और कैसे हैंडल करते हो या करोगे, ठीक है. A situation when your flexibility have been tested, and how do you approach learning new technologies or tools, right. So these are some HR questions important, ठीक है. आप अपने challenges को कैसे embrace करोगे, उनके साथ कैसे learn करोगे, stress को कैसे manage करोगे, different responsibilities को समझने के लिए और करने के लिए. पॉजिटिव रहने के लिए, अनसर्टेनिटी के टाइम पॉजिटिव रहने के लिए आप कौन से अप्रोच बेसिकली यूज करोगे, ठीक है. अडेप्टेबिलिटी, हाउ डू यू measure the success of your adaptability in a professional setting, right. And what is the process of your evaluating and adopting best practice of others. So these are some questions, and next is ethics and integrity. There are two words in an organization: ethics versus profit, right? Ethics and integrity. So ethical standards should also be matched and maintain your hierarchy in your organization while you are going for a specific role or for any other role you are going, but this needs to be maintained, and some questions can be asked related to this. So how does integrity, what does integrity mean to you in a professional context? ठीक है, ethical dilemma कोई situation को आप कैसे face करोगे, कोई भी आपका what would you do if you noticed unethical behavior in your team, ठीक है, आप trust कैसे build करोगे colleagues और clients में, transparency को कैसे prioritize करोगे professional interactions में, and how do you ensure fairness in decision making, ठीक है, handling conflicts of interest and a situation where you stood up for what was right despite opposition. These are some important HR questions. You can have a look here, and this particular documentation you can download from the Yourpedia portal and just read it out. How do you educate your team about the importance of ethical behavior, right? What steps would you take to create an ethical work culture in your team? So these are some questions. And customer orientation and relationship management, that is very, very important. Your services, your working, your roles and responsibilities are towards your customer, and SBI is serving towards the 50 crore plus customers by, in its branches and its subsidiaries and its head offices, and number of things are there. So you must aware about the customer orientation process and relationship management between the customer and the service provider. So how do you define excellent customer service? Right, prioritize customer satisfaction while balancing business objectives too, ठीक है. Also long term relationship आपको कैसे आप build करोगे clients के साथ, customer complaints को कैसे आप handle करोगे, and how you're going to be turned into opportunities, because one can be the person who is taking the complaints as a negative aspect, but another can be the person who is taking the complaint in the growth opportunities. So now this is your point of view, this is your thinking that how you're going to be take the things, right? How you retained high value customer, give an example of that, ठीक है. What strategies do you use to understand customer needs better? Relationship manage आप कैसे करोगे, ठीक है. Multiple customer prioritize effectively आप कैसे करोगे. Empathy क्या role play करती है customer service strategies में, and continuous improve in customer service, how you going to be ensure that. What steps do you take to maintain customer loyalty, right? Success of your customer relationship. So that these are some important HR questions related to customer orientation. Now this is conflict management and negotiations. So how describe a time when you successfully resolved a workplace conflicts, approach disagreements with colleagues or stakeholders, ठीक है. आपने example देना है when you're challenging negotiations you handled, and how do you going to be maintain professionalism during heated discussion, ठीक है. Because sometimes we got in the argument, we got might lead to a dispute, so how you are going to be maintain professionalism, that is a challenge situation, and that is a checking of your personality, right? Also how you are going to be prepared for critical negotiations, a situation where you reached a win-win resolution, and ensure fairness while mediating conflicts, balance assertiveness with empathy in conflict resolution, active listening play in your negotiation approach. How do you handle conflicts involving senior management? These are some important HR questions. What is your approach to dealing with the power imbalances during negotiations, right? So understanding of SPI, ये बहुत ज़्यादा important है, ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए. Why do you want to join SPI over other financial institutions? I have already discussed, that is a prestigious organization, career growth opportunities are there, good CSR initiatives, and good stand, good market position, that is 23% of market share in the public sector. So these kinds of things you can highlight. Also you can add out your own answer as well. What do you understand about the role of special cadre officer at SPI? Skills contributing towards SPI's objective, and आप SPI की core value के साथ आपके skills या आपका role कैसे align होता है, ठीक है. Recent initiative in financial service sector, ये आपको prepare करना है. Key challenges you foresee in this role and how you are going to be tackle them. Differentiate, how does SBI differentiate itself from private banks? That is very important. Understand by the term banking with a purpose and how does it apply to SBI. SBI is corporate social responsibility and digital banking services के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. Past financial years की क्या performance थी SBI की, ठीक है. आप under pressure, high expectation in large organization like SBI आप कैसे handle करोगे, ठीक है. So these are some important HR question related to SBI. How do you view the role of SBI in India's financial inclusion goal, right? How do you plan to grow with the organization? Share your thoughts on SBI's roles in economic development and rural banking. This is a general HR question related to SBI. Stress management and resilience से कुछ questions आते हैं. आप बोल सकते हो कि आप they can ask you that how do you going to be handle your stress, basically your pressure and how you're going to be work under pressurized situations or these kinds of situations. Work life balance को आप कैसे ensure करते हो. Sudden increase अगर workload में होता है तो how do you deal with that, ठीक है. How do you seek support or guidance when you feel overwhelmed, and how share an instance where you help your colleague manage their stress effectively. Strategies to use to recharge after a stressful day and decision making process आप कैसे approach करोगे. Ensure long term resilience in a high pressure work environment, and yes, how do you evaluate your own stress levels and take corrective actions. Current affairs and industry knowledge, this is very very good. You need to be aware about क्योंकि you need to be make yourself stay updated towards the current industry trends and current affairs related to in the banking sector specifically. So some of the things are there that what do you think about the current state of Indian banking sector, RBI's recent monetary policy and fintech impacted traditional banking कैसे कर रही है, significance of Basel norms of for Indian banks, thought on the government's recent push for digital transactions. Cashless economy can be the very important thing. Assess the impact of inflation on the banking industry. Economic conditions affect SBI's operations. Global economic conditions. How do you view the role of AI and blockchain in banking? What are the potential benefits and risks of cryptocurrencies for bank? How has the Jan Dhan Yojana impacted the financial inclusion in India? And what is your understanding of NPA's non-performing assets? Right? So these are some important HR questions related to current affairs and SBI. So what do you think about the role of SBI in India's digital transformation journey? So friends, this particular documentation going to be very helpful in preparation of your HR round related to SBI. Okay. So kindly prepare it, kindly read this documentation, download it from the Yourpedia panel, Yourpedia portal, and prepare it well. It is covering different aspects of HR questions related to SBI, current affairs, career overview, problem solving skills and whatnot, right? So kindly prepare it well and prepare this HR question with Yourpedia mentors, with different mentors for different aspect. SWOT analysis, situational questions, organization questions, number of things are there, right? So we are here to help you out for your interview preparation. Just read this information properly and just watch this video, make your notes and prepare it well. All the very best. Good luck.